realize how difficult it is.
Pull her shirt down, Daddy, or she's not. She'll stick to the floor. Pull her pants up.
Do it again, Daddy.
Macy, you're nuts.
Do it again, Dad. Do it again. Do it again, Daddy.
Does it make you sick to your tummy, though?
Yeah, no.
No.
Not till you stand up.
Whoa.
See how fast you can go, Daddy.
Hit your toes on me?
I need to get a little closer.
Feel better?
Daddy needs to take a break, baby. Plus, you might make your belly sick, okay?
Stand up. Are you
Can you
dizzy?
stand up?
I need to sit and stand up. I need to sit and stand up.
I can't spin you while you're standing.